morning, everyone. Well, today in the shop we are going to take out the differential on the race car, which has 373 gears in it, and we're going to put the 346 gears in it because we're running out of top end on the track and we don't like being passed. So we're going to see what we can do about increasing our top speed and go from there. So I'll update you as we go, but that's what the plan is today. Okay, we got the differential out and sitting on the bench here. Gotta take the speed sensor out, put it in the back in the other differential. This is the stock one that's going back in with the higher gear. Over here on the car, we had to remove the 6 drive shaft bolts, the Torx bolts on each axle, the 2 mounts. There's a front mount bolt, and move the sway bar up out of the way, disconnect the speed sensor, and pull the differential out. So now we're going to transfer some stuff, drain the fluid, fill the new differential up, and put it back in. Okay, differential's in. These bolts are tight. These are at 60 foot-pounds. This bolt here is at 70 foot-pounds. All drive shaft bolts are tight. All axle bolts are tight. It's at the 45 pounds. Sway bar is back in. Gear oil is in. Filled up till it was just dripping out. And everything is tight and painted. So we'll see how she does at the track this weekend. Hopefully I'll have some video. We had some issues last weekend where all the video was corrupted. So all right, that's enough for today. Thanks. Hey everybody, we got the rear differential was done on the car. It made 2 successful days at Road Atlanta, and on the Bullitt here I got to put some new rims and tires on. I got some Toyo Proxies R888s for the front and back, thanks to, they were donated from Pandora, who is now in Norway. So just let me see how it looks. It's the first time I've had any kind of track tires on my car, so there's a big difference in the driving of it. I noticed. I really enjoy it. It is a little noisier, but she does stick to the road. So we didn't get any camera work done at Road Atlanta because I forgot my camera. Silly me. But we have some more stuff coming up soon, so I will get some more footage and some more stuff up for everybody. Right now the car's back in the shop. It's getting some gauge work done to it and going through and balancing the car and getting a little suspension adjustments done to it so that it handles a little better for Rick, and we will go from there. So just a little update to finish off the video of the differential, as I hadn't uploaded it yet. You guys have a great day and be safe out there.